Teachable Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Teachable Learning Management System. Links to the product are available in the description below. Teachable is a robust and user-friendly LMS designed for online course creators, educators, and entrepreneurs looking to deliver high-quality learning experiences and monetize their content. Whether you're a first-time course creator or an established educator, Teachable offers a comprehensive suite of tools to build, sell, and manage online courses with ease. One of the standout features of Teachable is its intuitive course builder. It allows you to create multimedia-rich courses by adding videos, quizzes, assignments, and downloadable resources, all within a simple drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy for course creators to focus on content without worrying about technical skills. The platform supports a variety of media formats, ensuring that your content is engaging and accessible to different types of learners. Teachable also provides excellent customization options. You can personalize the look and feel of your courses and website with your own branding, including logos, colors, and a custom domain name. This ensures your online school has a professional appearance and aligns with your business's identity. The platform is mobile responsive, making it easy for learners to access your content from any device. For those interested in monetizing their courses, Teachable has you covered. It integrates with popular payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, enabling seamless transactions. You can create pricing plans, offer coupons, and even run affiliate programs to boost your sales. Teachable also supports subscription models, so you can offer ongoing access to content for a recurring fee. Teachable's powerful analytics help you track student progress and sales, while its built-in marketing tools allow you to reach a broader audience. With great customer support and a strong community of creators, Teachable is a go-to choice for anyone looking to create and sell online courses. In conclusion, Teachable is a versatile, all-in-one platform perfect for anyone wanting to build and sell professional courses online. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information.